Hello YouTube. Welcome to your channel EarningTrend. The reason to make this channel is to show you how to make money online, either as free or investment. We teach you online legit method. We just hate scam, scammers, and spam. Please subscribe us to get our daily updates. Warm regards from our Click on subscribe button. Click on bell. Check on send me all notification. Hello friends, I am Harry. In this video I will show you how to create my Ether wallet. Website link on description. My Ether wallet is a free, open source, client-side interface for generating Ethereum wallets and more. Interact with the Ethereum blockchain easily and securely. Wallet. So take a few minutes on security and terms of my Ether wallet. There are many types of wallet. So first you need to enter a strong password for access your account. I am randomly generating a strong password. Before we start, let's save the password. This is your key store file for backup. Download and store it a safe place. After that you will see your private key. You need to save it securely and don't show this to anyone. After that click on save address. So now your wallet is created. Now unlock your wallet with private key. This is your Ethereum address. You can also unlock your wallet with key store file which you downloaded. You can send Ether or tokens here. Enter receiver address. Amount to send. And this is gas limit. Gas limit is a transaction speed price. The higher or lower of your gas will affect the transaction speed. Simple word is that high gas is equal to high speed transaction. So now you can add token here. There are most of tokens are already added. So if you want to add custom token, so follow the process. Go to any of these Explorer. Search the token. Now copy the contract address. Now enter token symbol. Now enter token decimal. And save it. Your token is added now. Select the token which you want to send.